Hey, welcome back, Bilaras. Today, we're making a simple yet powerful face mask that will leave your skin glowing, refreshed, and hydrated. If you're looking to brighten your complexion and pamper your skin, this mask is for you. Let's dive in. First, take 1 teaspoon of hibiscus powder. Hibiscus is known as the Botox plant because it's rich in antioxidants and helps to boost collagen production, making your skin look firmer and more youthful. Next, we're adding 1 teaspoon of milk powder. Milk powder is perfect for brightening your skin and giving it that soft, smooth texture. It also helps to nourish and hydrate the skin. Then, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. It helps tighten the skin and reduces the appearance of pores. Now, let's add 1 teaspoon of honey. It is a natural humectant, which means it locks in the moisture and keeps your skin hydrated and glowing. Finally, we'll add enough rosewater to form a paste. Rosewater is amazing for the skin. It calms inflammation, hydrates, and has a natural soothing fragrance that makes this mask feel like a luxury spa treatment. Mix it all together until you have a thick, creamy paste. You want the consistency to be thick enough to stay on your face, but still easy to apply. Once your mask is ready, it's time to apply it. Gently apply an even layer to your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse the mask off with lukewarm water. And that's it! A simple, natural hibiscus face mask that gives your skin a gorgeous glow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!